Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust comment boxes height and width using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and click this home option and click on the selection down arrow and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor, select your comment boxes you want to adjust, and I'll adjust this to text boxes left side and right side. Click this right button and select a size option, and this is white. Simply select and see this height and width now adjust. Now select align option, this left align, and see this, and also I'll adjust these two text boxes top and bottom, this height, and see this align it bottom, and see this. In this way you can adjust text boxes height and width. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.